Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourself productive. So feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Today I am going to teach you 3D modeling in Autocad. Autocad have some basic building blocks. First of all, basic building block is a box. With the help of box, how to create a box. First click on first point and then enter value with the help of relative rectangular coordinate system. Enter it 100, 50, enter. Now a box is created with a length, width and height of 100, 150. Now I am going to create a cylinder. Click on cylinder. First I have to click on the midpoint of the box and then going to enter and radius of that cylinder. After then height. If I want to make that cylinder horizontally, then I have to click on the axis end point. With the help of this axis end point, I am going to make that cylinder in horizontal direction also. For that I have to click on the ortho mode, so that line cylinder will create in horizontal direction also. Then I have to click on the midpoint of that tool. Okay, now I have created one box and one cylinder. Next tool is cone. Cone is application of cone is going to make some cylindrical part with a cone ended portion like ice cream scoop, ice cream cones. First of all, to draw cone, I have to create a center point or base and then radius. After radius, I have to create height. Then height is I am going to enter is it is 100 mm. Now a object basic building block of cone is created. Next tool is sphere. Sphere is basically used to create football like shape. First of all, I have to click on this tool, center point, and then radius of football. I am going to enter the radius of football is 100 mm. Next tool is pyramid. Pyramid basically used in mechanical engineering to create nut bolt shapes. For that I have to create a first how to create a pyramid. Click on pyramid, click on the center point of base, then enter 150 mm, enter. Then I am going to enter height. Height is 200 mm, enter. Now a pyramid is created with a height of 200. Next option is wedge. Wedge is to create slope like shape. For that wedge I have to create with the help of relative method. I am going to enter the value at the rate 200, 200, 100 height. Now a wedge is created in diagonally. Sloped wedge is created. Next option is torus. Torus is used to create and shape like tire or tube. For torus I have to click on the center point and then radius, and the field radius inside that tube radius, that is 50 mm. Now a tube-like shape is created. Now I have completed my basic building block of 3D modeling, and then I am going to select that object and delete or erase. Next option, I have to create an object with the help of this 3D modeling tool. First of all, I have to create a box with a length and width at the rate 85, 55, 35 mm. A box is created with a length 85, width 55 and height is 35 mm. Then I am going to also create another box over the box. Click on the end point of that box at the rate 55, 55, 45. Another box is created. Next option is another box with a length of 30 mm, 25 mm, 15 mm height. Then click on the move tool, select object, enter, click on the first point of corner point of that box and click on the top of the box. Next tool is union tool. Union tool, with the help of union tool, these subsets and tools are created a great mathematician George Boole. With the help of union, subtract, these are mathematical function and also used in solid modeling. First of all, solid union, solid subtract and solid intersect. With the help of solid intersect, we are going to subtract product A from product B from product A, as well as vice versa. Click on product A, enter, click on product B. If that product is not selected, I am going to off the selection silent. If product is not selected, and click on the edge as well as. Enter. Now that object is minused. Next option is to union this. To union, with the help of this, I am going to use solid union tool. Select first object, select second object, enter. Now the object is union. Next option is to, I have to increase that length. I have to subtract that length. Now I am going to use a box at the rate 20 mm, 30 mm, 20 mm. Enter. Now a box is created. Select on the move tool and selecting the corner bit point of that object, and then select that object, select on this tool. I am going to select the subtract tool also, select the first part, enter, then second part. If that part is not selected, click on the edge also. Now a tool created. This is first बेसिक वैगनर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एक मॉडल एक्सरसाइज क्रिएट किया है, जिसकी हेल्प से आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो. एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट लेवल, कॉम्प्लेक्स एक्सरसाइजेज आल्सो. आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट दिस टूल. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज sketch based modeling. With the help of sketch based modeling, I have to create a sketch first. Now I am going to sketch a circle, next rectangle, next is polygon. Grab any type of, then select the sketch based first tool, click on the extrude tool, select circle, enter, and then I have to give the height of that circle, enter, again select extrude tool, select the rectangle tool, and then height is again 100 mm, again extrude tool, select the 2D tool, enter, and height is 75 mm. Now you will understand that basic modeling tool also create by basic building block as well as with the help of sketch based tool also.